I'm here at ORO, Managing Director of the International Operations. We at ORO have two factories, one in Mumbai and one in Dubai, and out here we manufacture to supply to the Middle East and the global markets. At ORO, we don't believe that technology and craftsmanship compete with each other. I feel that they are complementing each other, and we tend to begin our artistry with craftsmanship, and that's where jewelry has its soul and its roots. But we manage to scale it with technology, with good precision, with good repeatability. This is where we believe comes the endurance to the jewelry industry. As we know that the jewelry industry is scaling up and growing at a rapid pace, CNC has helped us improve it and taken it to the next level. We can get the tolerances now which were only possible with the watch industry now in our jewelry as well. At ORO, we primarily focus on gold and platinum, and I believe that we could not have done what we have with platinum had it not been for technology. As we all know, platinum is a very difficult metal to work with, and for years and years, or for centuries even, platinum has been always very traditionally made and in very limited quantities. We have managed to take this and manufacture it at scale using the help of technology, primarily CNC, and we have the machining standards which were only applied previously to much harder metals in the watch industry like titanium. So we have adopted those technologies and been able to scale our platinum business in India and globally. I think that digital traceability and automation is something which our industry has struggled with for a long time. In the past 5 years, I think that we have had big strides that we have taken in this field. Starting with digital traceability, at ORO we have good systems which can trace back a piece of jewelry to its batch, and that batch can be traced back to the input of the gold. So when a customer asks about ethical sourcing, we have a concrete answer with proof which can very, very clearly tell the source of the gold that they are consuming. When it comes to the automation, I feel like automation is a very big use case in every aspect of our jewelry, and we have now tied automation with AI to automatically improve its efficiencies day on day. I think that we are the first company in CNC manufacturing in this region which uses robots to assist us in manufacturing, allowing us to manufacture around the clock without any human intervention.